Welcome to The Explainer, where we break down big topics into engaging explainers.
Today, we're tackling a fascinating part of AI from Chapter 5 of this course, an introduction to artificial intelligence for students ages 12 to 15 by Virtualization Options LLC, and it's all about AI's role in the world of creativity.
Okay, let's just dive right into this with the biggest question of all.
We see AI doing all these incredible things, right? But can it truly create art and music and stories just like a human can? It's a huge question, and the answer, well, it's not a simple yes or no. So first up, let's talk about art. You can type a totally wild description, something like a peaceful sunset over mountain peaks in a watercolor style, and these AI tools can create absolutely stunning images in just a few seconds. It's kind of nuts.
And it's not just pictures. AI can compose completely original songs in pretty much any style you can imagine. We're talking epic movie scores that give you chills, or even those catchy pop hits you just can't get out of your head.
Then there's writing. It can even write poems and stories that are sometimes so good, so convincingly human, that you literally can't tell if a person wrote them or not.
So, okay, if AI can do all of that, what makes our creativity so special? Is there even a difference anymore? Absolutely. Let's break down what really separates the human touch from a machine's process.
Now, what's really interesting here is the core difference. See, we humans create from our own experiences, our memories, our feelings, all that stuff. And AI is different. Think of it like a master pattern matcher. It studies millions of examples and then just remixes those patterns to make something new. It's incredibly clever, for sure, but it doesn't have emotions or a personal story it's trying to share.
So this is the crucial point. Think of AI as an amazing tool, not a replacement for the artist. It's something that can help us, but our experiences, our feelings, that's what gives art its soul.
You know, the best way to really understand all this is to just try it out for yourself, and it's so much easier than you probably think.
You can get started right now with free tools all over the internet. You can generate art, you can compose music, you could even co-write a story with an AI. Just play around and see what you come up with.
And this brilliantly illustrates the difference. Try this creative challenge from the course material. First, make something using an AI. Then, try to create that same exact thing with your own hands. Draw it, paint it, whatever. And finally, put them side by side.
And this leaves us with a final thought to chew on. When you look at your two creations, what is that unique, human thing that you brought to your art that a machine simply can't? That's the magic right there.